What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Nomadic Trader once again. We're trading Nasdaq futures. Market has already opened. Drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a comment as well if you want to see anything specific. Today we are again looking at Nasdaq futures. This is the 528 tick chart. This is the now 5-minute NAS chart. So it looks like we're actually trying to break these all-time highs here at 14,883. Had a quite a good run up here a few days ago. There's buy up overnight. Buyers came in quite strongly here. So again, looking for maybe a little sell off here. Probably not going to get it as strong as we're looking to get in. And we are about to push all-time highs right now at 82. So this will be fun. Again, all-time high days are historically tough for me, but we will keep an eye on what she's going to do. ES is kind of trying to make a little move down, maybe here to volume at 52. If we break this volume here at 52, we may see a rotation, continued rotation down at 47. NAS has just broken all-time highs, so we today is a waiting day. Today is definitely a waiting day. Let's go back down here to the 528 tick chart and see if we can get an entry. 94, 595 lot at 87, so may get run through there. If we can get back down to volume here at 50, may be interested in getting in here. We're about 30 points away from that possible entry. Yes is moving lower. And we're starting to sell off a little bit here. No real sellers stepping in yet. Prices is coming down quite strong now, but no real sellers. That's interesting right there. With Delta maintaining. Let's see if Delta continues to maintain here. We may actually hop in much sooner, even within the first 5 minutes. Let's see. Price is moving further down this previous low.
Order filled.
A little late actually, but you can get back up here to. That was kind of a late entry there, but I liked how Delta maintained, even though price came back down and went lower than this previous low here. 159 lot at 75. So that hopefully that gets run through there, but we'll see. Again, this is quite a high entry for us, but try and be a little patient here. Try and get a sweep of the all-time highs again because we are approaching 900. We may see 900 today, but I'm not sure. It's gonna have to wait and see here. Sellers starting to step in here. Still did not break this previous low. About 14 seconds till the candle closes. First 5 minutes of the day closes. Less than 10 points away from our original entry. I'm not looking to get out here or get in. So we can, let's see. 43 lot at 67. We're really moving today. Volatility today is quite extreme, so gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. If we break this structure here on Delta, we may see a strong move downwards. No real sellers coming in when price is trying to push down. Not yet, anyway. That could change very quickly. Again, we're going to wait and see here what ES is trying to get bought up. Trying to catch a little bid here. Kind of consolidating here at 68, between 65 and 68. So here we're just going to wait. Price is still lower than this. Right at that delta structure here. About 10 points away from our entry. So yeah, we're definitely going to endure some pain right now. I don't want to hop in again. Buyers maintained very nicely here, so may see a continued move up, but I'm not hopping in here, not at all. We'll just let that run. ES is running the highs. ES is actually making new highs here. Oh no, not yet, almost. ES is trying to push up here. ES is definitely trying to push up here. Let's look on the 1 minute. What does NAS on 1 minute look like? Delta looks good on 1 minute on NAS. Yeah, Delta looks good on 1 minute on NAS, but we'll see. We'll see. Trying to make a continued move down here. May see a continued move. We're going to endure some pain here. Minute 53 until this candle closes. This next 5-minute candle closes. Yes is looking really strong here. Yes is looking really strong here. Buyers really stepping in here. Yes is looking strong. I like that. So let's see if NAS follows. Not sure if she will, but we'll see. See what happens here at 50, volume at 50. Delta structure is kind of being broken here. So again, we're going to endure some pain. First entry, definitely a little FOMO entry. I've been having too many FOMO entries lately, so definitely need to work on that. But yeah, so 51 seconds till this candle closes. Seller is really stepping in now. Let's see if buyers come in. Buyers not really coming in here. Let's try to VWAP and volume at 45. May hop in a second one if we see buyers come in here. With 17 seconds till the candle closes. Let's actually wait until this candle closes to see what we're going to do here. A lot of volume being built here at 45. Actually going to hop in a second one here. And immediately goes against us. Nice. Immediately goes against us. So that's always fun. Probably going to get stopped out here. So So from the high here, gonna get stopped out of one contract here. And move it down here to volume. Maybe not. We can move it like here. Ah, okay, yeah, that's volume. Might as well. $40 lot at 31. Nice little buy up. Second entry is at 47, so it went down to 23. See if buyers can step in here. I should move this, keep this stop here at 16. Yeah, 16 and a quarter. Oh, that's fine. Average price is quite high because, I mean, our first entry is really, really high. So, we'll see. We'll see. If we can break this volume at 40 and then again at 45, we should see a rotation up to 60. But yeah, 40 and 45 needs to be broken. ES trying to, NAS trying to catch a little bid. ES looking a little weak. Delta's looking strong on ES though, but so trying to now break this. We just need to break 45 here. Buyers did not really step in as much as I'd like them to. So we do have to be careful on that one. Buyers really did not step in with a lot of strength. Yeah, that's a little flat there, so we have to hop out of one to deleverage and take a loss. But we'll see. We'll see. Buyers may step in. 61 lot, 52 lot at 48. Hopefully that's run through. Hopefully all these big lot orders get filled. Nice buy up on NAS. First entry is at 73. Oh, yeah, we'll do 75 there. We are at, interesting. It should continue up to 60. Yeah, probably not though. I may actually hop out of, oh, too late now. So we get continued buyers to step in. Buyers trying to step in now. If anything, I'll hop out of one and deleverage. I don't want to, because that first entry was really high here at 73. So, I don't know. We'll see. New 5-minute candle just opened. This last close was a good close. Solid close. Actually gonna hop out of one here. I don't really want to hold that for too long. So that's a 430 loser. Let's actually be a little conservative here. Let's try and get this 60 fill. Yeah, so that definitely, I don't like how it didn't even reach volume at 60, so that's not comforting at all. Sellers definitely stepping in here, and I'm happy with that deleverage. I'll take that loss, but I don't want to have two contracts, especially when that first entry is so high up. That was quite a terrible entry. Again, FOMO really killed me on that first entry. But hopefully we can get a good second entry, maybe around 16 or so. Then we should see a nice move back up. But again, we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see on this one. And I'm okay with that deleverage because again, didn't want to be holding for. Something just happened with my top step that kind of lagged out a little. Sellers trying to step in again here. Again, hopefully we maintain this delta level, but I'm not sure. Less than 10 points away from our second entry, so I'm not getting a second one here. We're going to use that second one for something else, another entry. I mean, if we get back up here, if we get back up here to all-time highs, I will take that all day, any day. So delta maintained. I was not going to get in a second one. And if price goes back up and hits our original entry, it is what it is. But that may not happen. So I did not want to be holding two contracts the whole time while we try and figure out if that's going to happen or not. So again, I'm okay with the choice I made with the deleverage. If we get low enough, we may even hop into the second one here. So we'll see. Again, about 10 points away from our second entry. So not enough for me to get in. Delta is barely maintaining. Delta's not looking too strong for me right here. I still think, yeah, you know what? I'm going to move this target down to 60 and just, it is what it is. We'll just keep it at 60 there. That's about 13 points. So if we can get a second entry, that would be even better. If we can get a second entry, maybe down here, maybe even at 16. But again, we're just gonna wait and see what she gives us because we're looking quite weak right now. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna see a continued move down. Uh, 28 now. New 5-minute action just opened here. Nice buy up. let me see. I'm just gonna see what my order is, how much my order is, because I do want to try and cover this loss here at 430. So that would have to be up at 75 or so to really cover it, but we'll see. We'll see what she gives us. Yeah, like I said, Delta's not looking very strong here. We may sweep the lows. So, kind of put it down there. Let me see also what this. Oops, that's not right. We're down here. If we sweep the lows, 12. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'll take that. Okay with that sweep. Trying to set up some structure here. Don't want to get in just yet. 44 lot at 31. Get down here to. Well, okay. Well, I guess we're moving right back up. Delta did not really. Delta's trying to break here. I'm going to pull back here to the -1 standard deviation. Yeah, I don't know if Delta's going to maintain if we come back down here to the negative standard one. I mean, -1 standard. I don't think Delta maintained. Yeah, and we did not, definitely. So, again, we're just going to continue to wait then. Good thing I did not set up an order. I didn't really want to set up an order, like a limit order, at like 16, or because then I feel like that's just trying to catch a falling knife, and I would definitely get cut quite deeply. May hop in here.
Order filled.
Here. Set this one right here. It's been a bad second entry as well. 21.75. So it's not the best. It's all right, as long as we can kind of hold this and then see a nice little move up, back up here to 57. Even 60. So let's see. Let's see what she gives us. About 19 seconds until the candle closes. Again, we're just waiting and seeing. 5 seconds till the candle closes. And let's see what she does. There's buy up. No buyers on that push. See if we can get some buyers stepping in here now. And then hopefully we see this move back up to 60. I'm not sure if we're going to get there though, but we'll see. Sellers have been in control this whole time. No real sellers came in on this big push down on this candle here, but again, we're just waiting and seeing what she gives us. Trying to move down. Let's continue to watch. Delta's kind of maintaining. Yes is really kind of just stopped. We're really just consolidating here at the lows. Not really at the lows, kind of just in the middle, kind of around volume here. So again, Delta maintained, but just maintained. So hopefully we see a continued move up. Do have quite a few levels here to break: 30, 35, 40, and 45 about every 5 increments. Wow, okay. 30, 35, wow. So we have a lot of levels to break, but hopefully we can break. We have a little bit of buyers coming in here. If we look on the 5-minute NAS chart, that's kind of that's an all right candle. The last one that gets closed, that's an all right candle. That's a big. These are big moves right here. These are big moves. So I don't know about that. Yes is trying to push a little higher here. Trying to fill these small wicks. I feel like there's more wicks to the downside though, so definitely gonna watch out for that. 1 minute on NAS does not look good at all. 1 minute on NAS looks absolutely gross. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe pushing a little lower. A continued move lower here. But again, we're just waiting. Kind of broke the structure here on Delta. Yeah, just broke it. So buy up right off the lows here at 17, 21. Okay, yeah, that's okay. My second re-entry. Not terrible. Not terrible. And I'm definitely happy I deleveraged out of that one. I don't even know where I got out of that one. So that was almost at the top, almost stock ticked that. And I'm okay with that because I would be in quite a lot of pain right now if I if I had that second contract. So I'm okay with that. So you get a continued move down. Again, just hold. See if we can get back up to 60. Really want to get back up to 60 because I do feel like 900 maybe on the table. If not today, probably possibly this week, but it's not like I'm going to be holding this the whole week. Got 30 seconds till this next 5-minute candle closes. Let's see how we're closing here. If you can close by engulfing this last candle, that would definitely be a nice close. A nice strong close for us. 8 seconds. I don't think we're going to get it. So we're going to see a continued move down. 33 lot at 28.5. Yes is pushing up. Yes is pushing a little higher here. Ended up actually filling these wicks. But NAS is still stuck here at the bottom of the day. With Delta continuing to look a little weak. Again, see if we can get some buyers. Okay, Delta pushed down. Those sellers came in with these last 2 candles that pushed down. But again, we're kind of just stuck here at the bottom. Really just want to see buyers trying to step in now. Really just trying to see what we're going to do. Buyers really trying to step in. We are creating quite a few wicks here to the downside, so we may fill a little gap up and then close. Interesting. Yeah, very interesting here. So we, yeah, so we're going to fill these wicks, and that makes sense. That wick fill definitely makes sense here. So now we are approaching the -1.5 standard deviation. And we're continuing to move down here. So let's just see. Yes is trying to step in with buyers, but price is really struggling here. I don't really want to get into a third one here, because today looks too weak. Nice buy up though, right off of '06. Really nice buy up. Obviously, it's too late to get in now. We're pretty much at our second entry here, so I'm not getting in there. Maybe we can see a move up to 60 again. But again, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. We are about 40 points away from our targets. Buyers, wow, today is actually really weak. So that's definitely why I did not get in a third one, because it's just, today is just looking really weak. I definitely really messed myself up with that first entry, that FOMO entry. I really need to work on those, because they're definitely going to kill my account if I keep doing that. But again, we're just waiting. Today we're just really just waiting. But 1:10 until this candle closes. So again, just continue to wait, continue to be patient. As we may, yeah, Delta is just looking absolutely gross. Just absolutely gross here. It's just really not looking good. I don't really want to get into the second one there. My 47, wow, 47. So that's actually also a very high entry there. But again, guys, it's just how trading is, right? You're gonna get in some terrible spots. You're gonna get out in some terrible spots, but we'll see. Yes, it is trying to push higher at this last minute. Actually, about to really trying to break all-time highs. Actually, right now, yes, it's pushing all-time highs. Yes, just broke all-time highs. So if we don't see a move on Nas, I'm gonna be upset. ZS just broke all-time highs. How was that close on Nas? That was a terrible close. Oh man. So it's not even that big of a target, man. It's not even that high of a target. Yeah, we're gonna see it. We'll continue to move down. if we go into like the 80s or like even like 90 or something, I would get in a third one to try and save save my trades today. But I don't know if we'll get there. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we do not. But today, I don't know. I don't know about today. Kind of stalling here at volume at 06 and 05. I don't really want to get in. We're waiting until the 800, see if we get an 800 test or something. Yes is making all-time highs right now as we speak. So that's very interesting to watch. Yeah, yes, broke all-time highs and is pushing higher. Nas is lagging like always. So we just see. Trying to get a little buy up here. No real buyers coming in. But trying to get a little buy up here. There may have been our entry right there, but it's all right. $57 black at 23. I'm kind of really holding for that third contract just to, because I really don't want to be too aggressive, especially on being such a weak day today. Really just want to. Ideally, I should have waited for this entire move, but yeah, what's he gonna do? It's trading. Trading, you hop in when you don't really want to, and you hop out when you don't really want to. But now let's try and get this continued move up. I'm not gonna get into a third one now. Now it's way too late. Yes, it continued to push highs, push all-time highs. Yes, has broken all-time highs and is continuing to push higher. About 40 seconds till this candle closes. So this 5-minute candle closes. "25 seconds till this candle closes." I think we definitely, if we close over like 29 or 30, that's definitely a very strong candle. But 14 seconds till we close, we may get it, possibly. 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's it's not a terrible close. Not a terrible close, but no buyers came in on that close. So may see a continued move down. Hopefully not, but got to be ready for it. Delta trying to create a little structure here. Small little structure there. So let's see if we can see a continued move up, back up towards our targets. Because these targets should actually fill us out of, actually get us into some good profit here. Let's see. Because I do have to cover this $430 loser. So yeah, this is definitely going to cover our losses here, but we just have to be patient for it. Yeah. Oh, 432 loser. Okay. Again, buyers trying to step in here. On 5 minute, buyers still trying to step in. Still really trying to step in here. Yes, looks like it's creating a little topping candle. Quite a few wicks here to the downside. So again, sadly, wicks get filled. So that's not too comforting. Again, just gonna wait and see here. Wait and see what she gives us, what she does for us. But Delta trying to make some structure, trying to create some structure here. If we can get a little pop of buyers here, like they're trying to come in now, barely. But the thing is, we have so many levels to break here. We have a 30 level, we have a 35 level, we have a 40 level, we have a 45 level. So I have to break all these levels and just smash right through them before we can go up back up to our exit area or take profit area. But again, it's got to wait and see. About 2 minutes until this candle closes. Buyers are really coming in now. Buyers starting to break these previous levels of structure on Delta. But again, obviously not gonna get into a third one. If we sweep these lows here, these very short-term lows here, and go anywhere lower, I may hop into a third one with Delta maintaining, of course, if Delta maintains. But yeah, if we come back down here, test these lows, these short-term lows, possibly even sweep these short-term lows, and Delta maintains, or Delta looks strong, I'm going to get into a third one. But as of right now, I am not getting into a third one. I will continue to hold the two I have. So, and we're trying to move up now. Kind of broke the 30 level. See if we can break 35 now. If we break 35, we got to break 40. We got to break 45. Once we break 45, finally, I feel like we will definitely see a strong move up, where I may actually move my target up, maybe to like 75 here. That's super aggressive, but it's an aggressive target. But make my day worth it, right? From our last entry at 21, it went back down almost 20 points against us. So we're finally back in profit by $5. Not in profit on the day, but in profit on this trade finally. New candle just opened and we're back down in the red. So 40 lot at 30. Yeah, so people want to get in here, that we may run that and pick these guys up here. Kind of stalling just below VWAP and our average price, which is always pleasant to see. Again, moving back down here to volume at 30. And we're going to continue to move down here. So we were in profit, about $5 in profit, about a point in profit. So that was fun to see. Little relaxing on the emotional side, but now we're back down to being $700. Wow, that's a lot. Again, if we see a move, 57 lot of 18. If we see a continued move down, maybe to these short-term lows, possibly sweep it, I will get into a third one. As these wicks on the 5-minute do need to fill, 59 lot of 18, 60 lot of 18 and a half. That may get filled there, may get run through. But yeah, so we do have a few wicks here on the 5-minute that may need to get filled. It's kind of being formed right there, so just got to be careful with that. So far, we're trying to move back up here. Buyers came in. 3 minutes until this candle closes. Here, if we look at this price level, price went down a little past this low, but Delta maintained. So that's cool. That's kind of a good sign for us. But now we just need buyers to really step in and really start buying up. And hopefully we'd get a move up to our targets at 60. Again, my next target is at 15.75, so an additional 15-point target. But if we're approaching 60 and we're kind of slowing down, I'll just hop out of both of them and just call it a day. 39 lot at 25 that got run through. So you can get some buyers to step in here. So again, guys, there are some wicks on the 5-minute NAS chart that need to be filled. And that may be filled before we see any moves up. So we may actually get a third entry, possibly, if Delta really maintains. Not getting anywhere here. Delta kind of maintaining here. About 34 seconds till the candle closes. Really kind of just stuck at volume here is at 20s, at the 20s. Your candle just opened. And again, we do have some wicks down at the 5-minute that we most likely will be filling here. Yeah, so get those fill. What does 1 minute look like here? 1 minute's not looking terrible. We're trying to get some bull structure to be formed, but again, we're just gonna wait and see here. Crazy how it just literally hit our target and went straight back down. Hit our average price and went straight back down. Rejected so strongly off of 35. So strongly off of 35. So, yeah, that's interesting. Again, if we can get some buyers to push and break this, this is a major structure here in Delta. On the 1 minute that needs to be broken. Buyers need to break this structure here. And we should definitely see a nice move up. But again, let's wait and see what happens here. Buyer's not really looking too strong. I mean, Delta is starting to look good, but rough. Yeah, it's just rough. Bounced off of this Delta structure 3 times. May bounce off of it again. I don't really want to get in anywhere around here. Let's just move this back down, man. Let's just be conservative and just move this back down. And so yeah. Again, I'm not really gonna get in a third one here. There's no real point. Delta kind of maintained here. Just pushed down. So again, just stuck here at volume, man. Stuck here at volume at 20. Point of control is actually down here at 20. So there are actually a lot of wicks on the 5 minute. Now there is a lot of wicks on the 5 minute. There's 62 lot at 20 and a half. 64 lot at 20 and a half that got pulled. Yeah, so a lot of wicks here on the downside on NAS. So again, if we fill it, maybe we'll bounce off of 800 and then see a continued move upwards. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for before I get into a third contract. I don't know if we'll get it. Hopefully we do not. Hopefully we just keep going up. But y'all know how the market is. Never does what we want, right? And here we just got to be patient here. There isn't anything we can do here. It's literally just patience. And could have been patient the whole time, but I decided to hop in right at the pretty much the highs at 75 or something. So that was not the smartest move, but it is what it is. So we just keep waiting. Again, buyers trying to come in here. Delta maintained with this little push down. Delta maintained. I'm not going to get into a second one here or a third one because it's pretty much at my second entry, literally right at my second entry. So that'd be quite a waste. of my third contract. But again, we're just waiting and seeing. Actually, that was a new candle. New candle opened up about a minute ago. So guys, kind of talking through what I'm thinking right now. Even though currently you can see my active P&L right here, we are down about $700 right now. But what I'm thinking right now is I'm kind of just looking at Delta. Delta is maintaining this structure here. If you follow my cursor, 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces off of Delta there. That is a multiple top or multiple bottom. Kind of, if you use the same principles you use in price action on Delta, and you look at this, it bounced 4 times, pretty much 4 times. Really strong 3 times, but maybe a 4th if you count this bounce. So that's definitely good for us in terms of a delta move and a strong move upwards. But again, I've been in this range for quite a few minutes here. Pretty much since 950, we've been at this range between our average price and like the -1 standard deviation. Buyers again are trying to step in here, but if we don't break this high, these 1, 2, 3 highs here, possibly 4, but I'll count it as 3. We may not see a continued move up, but hopefully we got some buyers coming in now, and that's really what I'm looking for. So I'm not really too worried about the P&L. See, now we're only down 155. So again, I'm not super worried about the P&L. I'm really just looking at this Delta, and Delta's looking good. Delta's looking relatively strong here, relative to the rest of the day, because we were dumping all day, and yeah, I thought we were gonna bounce off of this level here, so I actually got in right here at 70, or I got in here at 75. I think I got in here at 75. So that first entry was actually just atrocious. Minute 30 until this candle closes. Again, we're approaching our average price. Let's see if we don't reject it this time. If we do reject it, that would be really, really bearish, and I'd be a little worried there. But we'll see. We'll see. Got 36 lot at 32. See if they gets run through or pulled. 35 and 30 lot at 32 and 32 and a quarter. So we didn't even reach 35. Rejected right off of 31. So, but let's see what Delta looks like here. See if we can't get a continued move up. But we're just going to keep holding. Just going to keep holding and waiting. Buyers now starting to step in here. Just about to break this structure. Just about breaking this structure on Delta. But we did not break the 35 level, which is not fun at all, man. Not fun at all. But let's see if we can get another break. New 5-minute candle literally just opened. So now we are in a new 5-minute, and we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and see. Wait and see. Moving back down here. So I really don't know. I kind of want to step away from the computer right now, just so time can go by a little faster. um, but again, just waiting and seeing. Price goes back down, so yeah, we rejected our average price at 35, well, 34 and 38 cents, but pretty much 35. We rejected 35 again. With sellers not really coming in. Delta's still maintaining slightly. So we'll see. So we've got to continue to move up here. ES is continuing to make all-time highs right now. Actually, ES is really just ripping right now. ES is looking super strong, demolishing these all-time highs, just straight moonshot right now on ES. And of course, NAS is lagging like always, so we just have to wait and see. Some good buyers came in here. Should see it continue to move up, but I don't know if that will happen. Yeah, but ES is just looking really strong right now. ES is looking very, very strong. NAS is looking strong as well. Delta is making some nice structure here to the upside. Kind of a lot of consolidation here, but again, consolidation kind of leads to expansion. We were pinned between 04 and about 30-point range that we're just chopping in, and now we're trying to break the 35 level here. Having some real difficulties breaking the 35 level. So if we can, got to break again 40, then break 45, and then we should see a strong move right back up to where we were. Back on the 528 tick chart here, we were in profit for a couple seconds. Let's see if we can get back in profit here. There we go. Now we're finally green. Finally breaking ES. New 5-minute candle just opened. ES continuing to make new highs here. NAS, finally we are back in the green. So that was a long, quite painful trek, but we are finally moving back up. See if we can break 40, then break 45, and then just moonshot like ES is moonshotting right now. Let's be optimistic again and put our target right back up here at 86. Now we're in profit. Oh, no, not only one. First entry is at 47. Wow. Yeah, so we rejected 45. If we can break 45, we should see a move to 60. Yeah, if we can break 45, we should definitely see a move to 60. It rejected right, it wicked up right to 45. So that's actually insane. That's actually insane. Was it the high was at 44 and 3/4? 44 and 3/4. Wow, so not even 45. So we'll see if we can get a little continued move up here. Delta's not looking terrible. Delta's not looking terrible here. Buyer's trying to step in again. And see if we can break 45. 45 being ticked right now. See if we can break it. Having some issues. Buyers coming in here. Having some problems breaking 45. 38 block at 41 and 3/4. May hop out of one pretty soon here because this is just looking weak. So now this support should, this resistance. We got a 103 block at 40. That God. Where's my volume here, man? Where's my volume? Show histogram. Yeah, there we go. So this this resistance should turn into support. So the resistance of 35 should turn into support. We'll see if it does. And it doesn't. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. We got a minute 30 until the candle closes. Let's see. I kind of want to keep it at 60 though. Again, see if this 35 low can act as our support now. It has been acting as resistance this entire morning. Let's see if it can act as support. So we can get some buyers to come in here. Because then I may actually hop out here pretty soon because and of course it did not act as, what the heck is going on today? So now we're just pinned at VWAP and volume at 35. 24 seconds till this candle closes. This 5-minute candle is actually not a strong candle at all. So that is, oh man. Yeah, that kind of sucks. But buyers look good. Buyers look good, but yeah, this candle is not good. And we close in 9 seconds, 7 seconds. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough candle. That's gonna be a tough candle. We're gonna endure some pain again. Oh man, I should have just gotten out, but of course you don't, right? Because you're greedy. You get greedy, and you're like, oh, it's gonna go more. It's gonna go more, and it doesn't, and then you lose. But we'll see. Delta kind of maintained here. Yeah, Delta kind of maintained here. I don't want to be too aggressive here. Actually, gonna hop out
Order
one.
filled.
So that's actually 664 down on the day. It's just looking weak. It's just really looking weak. I don't know. So our first two entries were actually losses. So again, first two trades were losses. We are currently down 664 on the day. Hopefully we can get back up to maybe to here, maybe 75. I mean, I'm just playing around with these with the target now because I'm just waiting. I will have to log off pretty soon. I do have a work meeting in a little bit, so I will have to hop off pretty soon. So probably not going to hold this for the entire day. I really would like to see a nice move up though. Just doing this just to see where 60 would be about $100 day if we get up to 60 again. 39 block at 45. Biggest run through. Yeah, I got run through, so hopefully you should see continue to move up. Delta's still looking not terrible. Yeah, I mean, could have held that first contract for a little bit, but it's just looking weak, man. It's just today has not been a strong day, and I didn't want to be in that much drawdown again. But guys, my time is actually coming up pretty soon here, so I'm actually just call it and take my $200 loss day. May do that because Delta did not. Price came out. Delta did not make a new high, so it's not too. That's not too good. That's not too good here. Trying to just keep it at 60 and just hop out when we can. New candle just opened. So guys, yeah, actually, my time is actually coming up. I do have a work meeting, like I said. This trade will most likely be a loss, and today will be a red day. But yeah, because I probably am not going to have time to hold on to this all morning because I do have to go pretty soon here. So again, guys, drop a comment to let me know if you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, understanding what my I'm actually gonna hop out here. So
Order filled.
sadly, guys, today was a red day. We took a loss of a total loss, profitable trade, 33% loss of 356. That's not too bad. I've definitely had worse loss days, worse red days. So again, guys, not too upset about that. Could have been much worse. I was down about like $1,700 at one point. So again, I'm okay with that. It is what it is. I do have to go. I'm Nomadic Trader. Please remember to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm. Drop a subscribe as well. And of course, we're going to bounce right off of VWAP and continue moving up. But yeah, I have to go. I do have a work meeting. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know if you want to see anything in particular. But again, we'll see you guys tomorrow. This is Nomadic Trader. Thanks, guys.